Instagram message not sending. Let's fix together in this video. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. So right now I'm at the chat section of Instagram, from where you will be able to see all of your conversations with your friends. So when you tap over the chat of the person, you will be able to see the text field where you'll be able to send message to the person. But if you are unable to send the message, then that might be due to various reason. So first thing is, you need to make sure that your network connection is strong. You just have to swipe down the notification panel, and you have to make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi, or if you are using cellular data, then make sure your cellular data is strong or working. So once you are sure about the connection, you'll be able to fix this problem easily. But if you are still unable to fix this problem, then you just have to go back and you have to open up the apps. Here, simply press and hold on Instagram and go for app info, and you have to go for permissions and make sure all of the permissions over here are allowed. Once you're sure, you just have to go back and you have to go for storage and cache, and you have to clear the cache. By doing that, also your Instagram application will be refreshed and you'll be able to send the message to the person easily. You just can go back and try sending the message, it will be sent. So these are the common fixes to fix when Instagram messages are not sending. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.